Every time you upload a video, share a photo, email a friend, tweet your location, or check your bank balance, your web device talks to a data center. Rows of servers storing trillions of megabytes of information live in vast, energy-hungry computing complexes that power the web. Data centers produce around 2% of global carbon emissions and use 80 million megawatt hours of energy annually. This is almost 1.5 times the amount of electricity used by all of New York City. If similar growth continues, data centers will produce 359 megatons of CO2 by 2020, which is the same amount produced by half of the cars in the United States. There are many ways of making data centers more effective and of reducing carbon emissions. The carbon footprint is reduced through the use of renewable energy sources. For example, a photovoltaic power station can be integrated as part of a data center's energy ecosystem. A significant amount of energy can be saved through the introduction of the most energy-effective technologies, energy-efficient improvement studies, and services. The amount of emissions reduced by the use of Energy Star servers corresponds to those of 6,500 private cars, and the power consumption of data centers decreases by up to 82,000 megawatt hours. Using variable speed drives in a data center's mechanical cooling systems and ventilation significantly reduces the amount of energy needed. In some data centers, this reduction corresponds to the energy consumption of 50,000 European homes. Standby power batteries, microchips, and many other IT equipment components run on DC power. Since today's data centers have AC power infrastructures, as in your home or office, power has to be converted in many stages within the data center. This means that 20% of data centers' electric energy is wasted. This waste is equivalent to the carbon emissions created if you were to drive a car to Mars and back 700 times. The use of DC technology in a data center room also saves space and money. If all the data centers in the world switched to DC power supply technology, the annual energy savings created would be enough to power your iPad for 70 million years. ABB, the leading power and automation technology group, develops innovative DC and AC systems, automation, services, and solutions to optimize data centers' reliability, lower lifecycle costs, and efficiency. ABB applies tomorrow's know-how today.